Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to refund or cancel an Etsy order. So make sure to go to the etsy.com, this website, and make sure to log in with your account as well. So once you're logged in with your account, on the right side you will see your profile. Just click on it, and in this section you will see an option like purchases and reviews. So basically this is the option where if you have added or listed any of the history related to your orders, if you have added like anything tracking your order, all that will be listed into this section, which is called purchases and reviews. So inside the purchases section, as you can see, like I have not purchased anything, but I will add a screenshot of, let's say that you have bought something, any item. So you will see the list into this page, purchases. So from this option you can just select the item, and on the right side you will see the three lines. On the bottom side, just click on these three lines and you will see an option called cancel the order, or like you want to refund the item, so that you can do it. Just click on it and they will ask you the reason, that why are you doing this, and you can just submit the reason, and after that it will be like refunded or your order will be cancelled. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.